Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Fling AI App Honest Review. So, Fling AI is an AI-powered social and chat app that's designed to around the idea of interacting with virtual companions rather than real people. Now, it lets you choose AI characters that act like a girlfriend or even a boyfriend or playful companion. And the experience focuses on roleplay, flirting, and conversational entertainment. Now, the app is available on official app stores, which confirms it's a real, functioning product rather than something hidden or unofficial. And its marketing emphasizes emotional connection, personality driven chats, and immersive conversations. Now, when looking at whether it's actually worth using, well, independent platforms or trust checking platforms is the first thing that you may want to check here. Now, checking Scam Advisor, the official website connected to Fling AI, does not come up as malicious or in a technical sense, but it also doesn't rank as highly trusted. Scam Advisor's assessment reflects limited reputation history, mixed trust signals, which is common for newer or entertainment-focused apps that rely heavily on aggressive marketing rather than long-term brand reputation. Now, this doesn't automatically indicate fraud, but it does place the app in a higher risk category compared to well-established platforms. Now, most of the detailed feedback comes from App Store reviews and third-party summaries. Now, based on what people report on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store here, the experience is actually quite mixed. Now, it leans into let's just say quite in the negative side. So many reviewers say the free version is extremely limited and that meaningful interactions are locked behind subscriptions or in-app purchases like coins. Now, a recurring complaint is that the app strongly pushes payments, and even after paying, some users feel the conversations are quite repetitive or not as deep as advertised. Now, there are also reports of frustration around billing clarity, with some people saying they didn't fully understand how subscription or recurring charges work before being billed. Now, some users do say the app can be fun as a novelty, especially if you enjoy AI roleplay and don't mind paying for premium features. However, those positive comments are often outweighed by reviews expressing disappointment with the value for money and lack of responsive customer support. These concerns are about experience and cost rather than the app feeling to exist, which is an important distinction here. Now, if you're going to take everything together here, well, Fling AI appears to be a real app that does what it claims at a basic level at least. Now, it provides AI companion chats, however, based on App Store feedback, limited trust spot presence, and moderate trust signals from Scam Advisor, the biggest concern revolves around heavy monetization, unclear billing expectations, and whether the experience matches the marketing promises. Now, I've shown you everything that we found here. It's up to you if you want to try it for yourself. Just remember to manage your expectation, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.